So to subtract these two fractions, they already have common denominators. Sometimes we got to get common denominators, and that makes it more of a complicated process. But we can, now that they have common denominators, we can jump right to subtracting the two. So I've got x squared plus 2x plus 6. That's going to be subtracted by, now note I'm using parentheses, right? Because I have to subtract everything over here. If I didn't use parentheses, if I just wrote subtract 3x plus 12, then the only thing I'm subtracting is 3x. I'm supposed to subtract the entire numerator of the second fraction, so you've got to have those parentheses. And then there's our common denominator. So we know how to handle a minus sign in front of our parentheses. We distribute it. So that's minus 3x minus 12. That's all over x plus 2. And so that simplifies. X squared doesn't have anybody to combine with. 2x subtracted by 3x makes negative 1x. And then 6 minus 12 makes negative 6. And so now we have x squared minus x minus 6 over x plus 2. This is something you can factor, so it would be good to factor just to check. You need two numbers that multiply to be negative 6, but add up to be negative 1. And so that pair would be x minus 3 and x plus 2. And I chose those because a positive 2 and a negative 3 multiply to make negative 6. A positive 2 and a negative 3 add up to make negative 1. And it's a good thing we factored it. It's a good thing we practiced factoring, because now we see we can simplify this expression even more. There's an entire x plus 2 in the top, and the bottom is an x plus 2. So those cancel out with one another. So our final answer here is x minus 3.